Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on real quick to share my third altered playing cards that I am participating in. Penny's Crafty Creations hashtag Deck the Year. And I've been watching her videos and other people's videos when they create their altered playing cards, and I wanted to start making them myself because it's a small little surface. It doesn't take long to prep and create, and I think it would be good to make something every week, just like how Jill does her weekly hashtag Sat Morn Makes. But like I said, I wanted to make more videos of creating, and so I decided to start this hashtag as well on Thursdays. And Penny goes into, she kind of explains it. You post every Thursday, and you put the hashtag Deck the Year on your video, and hopefully she'll come and see your video. So I told her that I would love to join in and to create something. And I think these little playing cards are perfect. So as you can see on my mat here, I used this paper from Hobby Lobby. It is from Old World Winter. They're these little stacks of four and a half by 6.5, and I love that paper. So here's my altered playing card. What I did on my card is I scuffed, the shiny part because it is pretty shiny and glossy. So I sanded it down and distressed it, and because if you don't, the ink that you add to if you're going to stamp on it, or if you're going to ink it, it's not going to adhere, or it's not going to soak up into the card. It's just going to rub right off. See, I stamped on it with my script stamp, and it does not come off. Okay. You could use StazOn. If you do not want to do that and you want to stamp on it, you could still, I believe you could, because StazOn, it adheres to slippery surfaces like glass or something like that, or even vellum and acetate. So I assume that it will do the same for these cards. I've never tried it because I like the more grunge look. So I added the paper to parts of the card. And I also added some book pages that I had in my stash, and I just kind of tore an ink for the background. And then I stamped it with my, I had this from my last ATC, so I thought I'd use it again because it's, fairly cool. I love it. And I inked the edges with walnut stain and just walnut stain. Just vintage photo. And then I used this faux tape. I mean, it is a masking tape, but I inked it up with alcohol inks that I showed in one of my videos last year. That I think Lollapalooza showed us how to create your own aged masking tape, and I just love the look of it, so I thought I'd add it a little bit up here as well. As you can see, it's pretty there. This is I think it's a Hobby Lobby chipboard Pete's that I got a couple, maybe last year. I did not buy it this year. I think they had it this year as well. I liked it because it had glitter on it. And then I used a sticker that had glitter on it and this bling, and then I added more bling to the snowflake. And I wanted to do a winter theme altered playing card because it is January and parts of the country there's a lot of snow, and I am hoping that we get some snow soon because I love the look of snow. I love how it's just peaceful when it first falls and so quiet. And it's just, like I said, peaceful when it comes down. And that's it. And that is my third altered playing card for Deck the Year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.